Oh, these are on sale. Holy cow, really? $150? They're going for 30 bucks here as well. These are the Authentics, $30 for these bad boys right here. Normally $125. There's Bulls ones right here. And then these women's. These are the fines right here. Wow. Look at this. $70. $70 for Ultra Boost. Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Back in Northridge after dinner. All right, we're starting with champs. Damn, nobody here? Friday night? And nobody here? What the hell? Cool, starting with New Balance. What? 574s Army Green. 90 down to 60. Hopefully we start seeing more of these on sale now because these are pretty dope. 1906s. I don't know nothing about these. 725s. I know less about these. And then 550s. All on sale, or a lot of them on sale. Jumpman Team ones right here. I really like the University Blue one. Got the old school ones right here, mostly black. Luca 2s, Zion 2s. I think these would be way cheaper. Since the Zion 3s are out, there's like a TikTok colorway. I swear this reminds me of TikTok. Not that I even use it. And a couple more of the Luca 2s. What are these? 130, 140? 130 for these. The latest Jordan releases, they have plenty of other retros, but the powder blues, got the OG ones right here, the OG color blocking, and then got these 5s, these are the latest 3 colorways. The glows too, right? The glow greens right here. Got more and more stuff here. Nothing too crazy though, nothing too crazy. All right, JD Sport. And then the Jordan sales. And this one, material in this one not bad. It's the SE right here. Not really seeing too much else. $20 off those. Duke got Dunks. Never seen this colorway. Never seen this colorway at all. What, like, I don't know. Like, what school is that? They've been doing a lot of the schools and stuff, right? Is that Florida? University of Florida? I don't know. Then all kinds of dunks. Kind of do like these. Kind of do like them. I don't know what about them. But yeah, these ain't bad. $125 for those. Air Max 90. This is a Gore-Tex, aka what? Air Max 3s, right? They were calling these Air Max 3s way back when. But yeah, dude got this. Man, I usually don't like super bright, but those ain't bad. I don't know why. But yeah, a little bit of sale. Then got black and white. Can't really go wrong with that. Checking the little sales right here. This is grade school. I kind of like this one. Kind of like that one. 100 bucks. And then I was like, are these going to be hella cheap? No, this is men's right here because they didn't really. I don't think they came out with this in grade school, did they? Yeah, this is a 9.5 right here. Got some more men's stuff right here. Been seeing these on sale here and there. But Air Forces, I think we're going to see a flood of Air Forces going on sale. And then some Jordans that are a little less high in demand. These are grade school right here. And then the Jaws on sale too. Okay. 97s on sale. I really like this colorway. I think we're gonna see a flood of 97s and more Air Max going on sale. Got some Solomons right here. Have you guys ever messed with these? They have like the speed lacing and stuff like that. I've never really had these. I've never had any Solomons, to be really honest. They got the Grinches right here. These are the Forums. I just realized I'm crouching down while wearing some Jordan 1s. Getting them all creased up for y'all. But yeah, do got the 11 low IEs right here. More of the 550s. These have been on sale everywhere. And do got a Borders. Stop by here real quick. Dang, and people aren't liking these. Such a fan. This one, like, I don't think the material is as good as this one. But still, these are pretty fire to be able to get them for retail. $115. I got both of these for myself. I got them for my boy as well. This is the SB Dunk section right here. Then, man, we've been seeing a lot of these Forums and stuff on sale. Such a fan of these 84 Forums. Oh, some of these aren't on sale. My bad. I thought they was all on sale. But yeah, these are on sale right here. 50% off 110. Then these black ones right here. These are clean too, dude. These are clean, 110. And then 50 off. 50 clean. Like all these kind of remind me of the Shoe Palace ones. They got some really good leather ones too. See, look. These 50 off 100. And these as well, $100, 50 off. And this one's been here for a cool minute. I think it's the last size, yeah. 8.5. This has been here for a while. They able to get this for retail 125. Not bad. Not bad. Then SB Blazers. Discounts on all these as well. It seems like all the sale ones are 50% off. Ice shots also 50 off. Yeah, so $50 for these. Okay, not all of them, but some of them. Like this one's not too bad right here. Also, this white one or cream color one. We do got Shoe Palace. We do got the Ja ones down to $70. They got like a little sales aisle right here, or column, 120 for these. It's kind of crazy because the color changes so much depending on, I think, depending on the angle. Then we got these right here. I think this is what he scored 40 on, right? 40K. This is a 40K shoe right here. $130 for these LeBron 21s. And then even Vomero 5s on sale now. Oh my goodness. Remember how these were like impossible to find? All of them were selling out. $100. Wow. Then 80 for the mochas right there. Now we've been seeing these on sale. 140, 100 for those. Then the LeBrons, these are on sale. Look at this, 140. These are normally like 250 or something, right? These were hella expensive. Kind of like the foams. Okay. And dude got more jumbo dunks. I haven't seen jumbo dunk in forever. 125 for these bad boys. These came out quite some time ago, but yeah, these are new. It looks like, okay, got the little tag on the side too. And then just endless colorways of dunks. They just keep coming out with more. Got the waffle dunks. I think that's my favorite one out of all these. But look at this, a whole column of dunks. And that's just the dunk lows. They got dunk highs as well. All right, dude got some Air Forces on sale, Blazers. And Air Max 90s right here. Also got Air Max 1s. These have been on sale for quite some time. And then dude got these. I need to see more of these on sale, man. And like some steep sales because summer's coming up. Dang it. I do have a few colorways, but I want all of them. I want all of them, but I don't want to pay the $85. So we'll see. Damn, even dunks on sale now? Even dunk lows on sale? Okay. Then more Blazers on sale. Didn't see that everywhere, it seems like. Dude got these. Wow, I'm surprised to see these on sale. These are the Nipsey Hussle ones, right? Nipsey Hussle ones for $30. $90 for the Ultra Boost 2021s. Got another one right here, and then look at this, $70. $70 for Ultra Boost. These are so freaking comfy. My kid's gone through multiple pairs of Ultra Boost. They like if you do non-running stuff, they do get pretty torn up. Like my kid, he's been practicing soccer and stuff like that on concrete, and they've just been getting torn up. But yeah, hella cheap, man. Hella cheap, super comfy. Oh snap! On the backside right here, they got even more and more sales. Look at this, Pollen Dunk. Do we call it Pollen Dunk highs? On sale, the OGs right here for the women's, UNC to Chicago. And got other lows right there. Been seeing these on sale at every Shoe Palace. Reverse lanes. If you can find a bigger size, that's fire right here. And then the OGs, I feel like these ain't even been out that long. $130 for those. And then the corduroy Air Max 90s. I don't know what I like about these, but these are kind of cool. The colors are kind of a little too much for me, but I love that material. Just a big fan of that material. Then a bunch of Air Max 1s on sale, man. The Air Max 1s ain't been cheap lately either. They've been hella pricey. And then look, another corduroy one right here, the Air Max 97 corduroy. Colors are the same and everything. $100, dude. $100. Okay. Oh wait, I was about to be done, and they got this. Look, got the Dunk Low Twist right here. And these are different because they have plastic pieces in the front right here. The toe guard. The Nike sign comes out a little bit, and then back here, the material is slightly different. But $80, pretty dope colorway for $80. Dude got a chic. What the hell is this, dude? What the hell is this? A women's exclusive colorway. I've never even seen these. Leather feels okay. It feels a little rough. But yeah, very sturdy though, like very durable, but I don't know, just not soft as most of the 3 leather. Got these. Oh, these are youth exclusive, grade school exclusive. That's okay. Then got plenty of dunks here, as we saw at the other store. That's a janky ass mirror, dude. This is the only mirror they have. And I'm wearing some UNC Jordan 1s, not the UNC toes, but the UNCs. I think these were released in what, 2020 or something? Pretty clean. They're a little bit dirty. They're suede, you know. They're not the easiest to clean. And then wearing some tech fleece jeans, because it's kind of cold outside, man. And I'm not gonna lie, they do have a ton of J's. Do they have like a really good Jordan account or something? Or people just don't buy J's here? I don't know. But they have a lot of J's. This is grade school and men's though. This is one of the few locations still with the crafts. And these ain't bad. These ain't bad. I don't think I have these, though. No, I didn't get these. I got the craft 5s, I think. Yeah, I got the craft 5s. I don't know. I found one of the crafts for hella cheap at the outlets. They got the Fear 3 as well. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. The orange kind of, I'm not a big fan of the orange. These are what, $210. Oh, these are on sale. Holy cow, really? $150? Wow, that is fire, dude. That's what's up. Right, that had me all paranoid, so I did check all the Jordans up there. I also did check the craft just to see if they're on sale. Nah, the Fear 3s are on sale though. They're on sale. Do want to say a lot of places that have had these. These are, I think, a women's, right? These are women's. Yeah, these are on sale for $140, and they still got these. Everybody's had these on sale. I feel like $120 here. I think Shoe Palace has it fairly cheap too. And then these, and then this is one of the few spots that still has one of these. $50. Dang it, dude. Should I get this for $50? Dang nabbit. I do want more of those. Damn, dude. I feel like I should grab it, but $90 for these. Definitely the cheapest. We've seen these Air More Tempos. That is hella fire. Dude, got Barclays right here. And I've never seen this colorway. I feel like this colorway hadn't even released yet, and they still got these out. Maybe that's why there's no, oh, there's a tag on it. There's $170 for those, and then got these as well. These are also on sale for $100. Dang, dude, I haven't even seen these at most spots, and they got them on sale here already. And these down to $140 as well. Goddamn, music loud as hell here, dude. What the hell? Dude, got Air Max 97s right here in the suede. That's pretty dope. 95s right here. The Blazers, we've been seeing these on sale everywhere. That's a nice tumbled leather. I think it's synthetic, but that's pretty nice. Then I've showed these a few times. $50 freaking. That's crazy. Holy crap, look at this. How come like there's no signs and stuff like that? Look at this. Look at this. This is for women, obviously, but I don't know. Some of y'all dudes been wearing some short shorts, so I don't know. But these are women's shorts. But check out the price. Check out the price. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all be wearing them short shorts. Oh, what the hell? Look at this. So this is $65. Look at the red one. Look at the red one right here. The red ones are down to $20. $20, and these normally retail for $85. $20 freaking dollars. I'm gonna see if someone I know might want one. These are just too cheap for $20. Holy cow. Holy cow. They have a few different sizes. There's a medium right here. Oh shoot, I just dropped something. They got like a few different sizes. This looks like a small, right? Looks like oh, these are all medium? They're all medium? I swear I saw a $25 tag. Okay, that's for these right here. These are still Mitchell & Ness, just not the dope ones. These are all right. $25 for those, and I don't know exactly what sizes they have. I do see a large right there. See a small. So they got a couple sizes. Lakers Mitchell & Ness shorts right here with like a desert camo or something. These are regular price, so it just seems like there's a couple sales items sprinkled in here. Women's stuff right here, women's jackets right here, and we just saw women's stuff on sale, so obviously we're gonna have to check some of these, and some of these are regular price. I don't know how much. Like we've seen these like really cheap. I just wasn't a fan of these. Like some of them got tags, some of them don't. Where's the tag, doggy? Tag, yeah, $75 for these. These are normally like $90, and then look at this one right here. The Bulls ones, probably one of the doper ones, $25. 25 bucks. Oh, this is triple XL. See if they got some. Oh, see, they got a large right here too. They got a large, 25 bucks, dog. $25. I think I have the red ones at home. Like that is 25 bucks, dude. And everybody got J's. Everybody got bread J's, right? Everybody got bread J's to match that with for the summer. That is just hella cheap. Holy cow, holy cow. This is the ones that I saw hella cheap. $20, $30. They're going for 30 bucks here as well. These are the authentics, $30 for these bad boys right here. Normally $125. This is an XL right here. And these are the authentics. These are not even the Swingman. These are the authentics. They got a double XL. And they got an XL right here. And then these are the Swingman ones. The Swingman ones, not as authentic. Still pretty nice, 75 for these. So you gotta go through each and every one, dude. Gotta go through each and every one. These are 75. Georgetown ones right here. So yeah, you gotta go through each and every one because they're all priced differently and no huge sales tags or anything like that. 75 for those. So looks like these right here. There's Bulls ones right here. And then these women's. These are the finds right here. Wow. Heading to the local mall, Northridge Mall, because we're hungry. This fool obsessing with his racing videos and stuff. That's all he's been doing. What is that? What is that? F1? F1? Red Robin bottomless fries. Got some garlic fries, regular fries. Got a couple burgers. That's what my kiddo loves. Kiddo loves this spot.